Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is the first day of our online class for computer, right? I hope you all are ready with your book and your notebook. Shall we start? Very good. As we already started lesson 8, today we will continue with the lesson 8, email, and the next lesson plan, creating an email account. So, today our aim is to learn how to create an email account. These are some keywords we will use in this topic: email, URL, username, domain name, and password. Come on, let's learn the meaning of these keywords. First, URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is a reference to a web resource that specifies its location on the computer network. Next, email. Email is an electronic mail. It is a method of exchanging messages between people using electronic devices. Next, username. Username is identification of a person. It is an identification used by a person with access to a computer network or online service. Next, domain name. A domain name is an identification for IP address. It is used for finding and identifying computers on the internet. Computers use IP addresses, which are a series of numbers. It is very difficult to remember the numbers to human, right? Because of this, domain names were developed and used to identify entities on the internet rather than using IP addresses. Next keyword is password. We all already know about the password, right? It is a secret code. It is needed in order to be allowed to a particular place or a network. I hope you all get the meaning of these keywords. Shall we move on? Before starting today's topic, we will see a recap of the previous topic, that is, introduction of email. Before knowing about the email, we need to know about the internet. First of all, what is the internet? You all are already learnt about the internet in grade 4. Do you remember? I hope you all remember that. Let's see what is internet. The internet is popularly known as the net. The term internet stands for international network. It is a huge network of computers around the world. Millions of computers are connected in this network by telephone wires and other network connecting devices. Internet is used to share information among each other. Next, what is www? It is one of the internet services. It also may you learnt already. Come on, let's see. www stands for World Wide Web. It is a collection of interconnected pages that contains text, pictures, audios, and videos. The various pages are connected using links and can be accessed through the internet by the people all over the world. It is popularly known as Web or W3. Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of the World Wide Web. Did you get it? Nice. Let's move on. Next is, what is an email? Come on, let's see. Email stands for electronic mail. It is a method of exchanging messages between people using electronic devices. By this facility, people can send and receive messages from and to any part of the world. In earlier days, people used to send letters through the postal services. It is very slow communication to send letters and it took many days to reach the destination. So, it is known as snail mails. But email is not like that. It is a very fast and convenient way to communicate. The first internet-based email is Hotmail. Sabir Bhatia is the founder of Hotmail. This is about email. Next, why do we use email? What are the advantages of email? Can you tell me some advantages of email? Okay, let's see. Email can be reached any part of the world in seconds. So, it is the fastest mode of communication. The cost of sending an email is very less. And same email can be sent to a number of persons. The chances of messages being lost are very rare. Files of any type like photos, videos can be sent as attachment through the email. Email does not use any paper and the received email is stored in your account and can be accessed as and when you needed. If you know more benefits of email, you can share it in the comment section. Next, email account. You need to have an email account to use an email service on the internet. In this account, we need to select a username and we need to provide a secret code that is a password. There are many websites on the internet which provide the facility of the free email accounts like hotmail.com, gmail.com, yahoo.com, etc. Yahoo is an American computer service company founded on 2nd March 1995 by Jerry Yang and David Filo. Next, email address. When you create an email account, you get an email address. This email address is unique so that no one can have the same email address all over the world. An email address consists of a username and a domain name. As we already discussed, username is an identification of a person and the domain name is an identification of an IP address. The domain name of the server which provides the email facility. The username and the domain name are separated by the @ symbol. This is the sample email address. The part before the @ symbol is called username and the part after the @ symbol is called domain name. I hope you all get the information about the introduction of email. Shall we move on to the next topic, creating an email account. We can create an email account by using any web browsers. For example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome. Like that, many web browsers are available to create an email account. Today, I am going to use Google Chrome. The first step, we need to open any web browser. Next, type the URL as www.gmail.com in the address bar. After entering the URL, press the enter key on the keyboard and it will open this page. This is the home page of Gmail website. Here we need to click on the create account link. Click on the create account link. It shows 3 options like this: for myself, for my child, and to manage my business. We are going to create account for ourselves, so that we need to click on for myself option. Next, it will show this registration form. We need to fill these details: first name, last name, and then username. Username means email address that you are going to create. Next is password and confirm password. After filling these details, click on next. It will ask a phone number. We need to provide the phone number. After that, click on the next button. When you give the phone number, Google will send a 6-digit verification code to that number. So we need to enter that 6-digit verification code. After entering the verification code, click on verify button. After the verification, it will ask for your birthday and gender. enter the details and click on next button. At last, it shows the privacy and terms of Google. You need to read all the privacy and terms and then click on I agree button to accept the privacy and terms. When you click on the I agree button, your account will be created. When the email account created, you will get a welcome message from Google. These are the steps to creating an email account. I hope you all are understand with these steps. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Next is question of the day. Today your question is, who is the founder of the first internet-based email? I repeat the question. Who is the founder of the internet-based email? Answer this question in the online exam section on your school app. Today's homework is define email. Second question, list any two advantages of email. And third question, what is the structure of an email address? This is your today's homework. Last but not least, now an open question to answer in the comment section. The question is, what does an email address consist of? I repeat the question. What does an email address consist of? You need to answer this question in the comment section. Okay? Now today's class has been completed. Do your homework regularly and get a sign from your parents in the planner. Thank you for listening. God bless you.